Okay, I want to share with you really quick, basically the highest converting email that I've ever personally used, where I got upwards to an 83% conversion rate off of the new email demon method. And I basically used the strategies and everything that I've been teaching you thus far. And whenever I started promoting the email demon method, and then just to prove that, hey, this, isn't just a lot of theory. This is actually what I'm using to make money with the very system that I created. So basically, again, it's very short, very to the point, and it builds curiosity. Basically, here it is, the email you've been waiting for. And that's, again, it's to build that curiosity or excitement where it's going to cause people to ask, well, what email is this? So it causes them to click on the link, goes to where it says, I'm going to come right out and say that this product is unfair. Okay, that's a little bit of drama. People are curious. They get very curious whenever it comes down to drama. It's going to raise some sensors. They're going to be asking, okay, what is this all about? It's just the natural tendency of human beings. I mean, that's the reason why reality shows and MTV and, soap operas, they're so big, because it adds drama. What is unfair? They want to know more. This got them curious. I resisted buying it at first because I thought it was too good to be true. And then that's, again, putting yourself into the person's shoes, because that's ultimately what your customer, your subscriber is going to be thinking. That's what everybody thinks whenever they see a new product, is that, okay, this is too good to be true. So you're letting them know that, hey, this happened to me too. I got the skeptical triggers fired off. I mean, this was a little bit too good to be true. That's what I was thinking, but I kind of resisted at first, but I went ahead and bought. So this is subconsciously putting the idea that, okay, even though you might feel like this is too good to be true, it's still okay to buy. Then basically you kind of give a benefit. Some people using it have been able to literally quadruple their income with it. That's a very strong benefit. You're still not revealing exactly what you're talking about, so it's still building that curiosity. And then you're basically bringing it all home. You're making it personal, where it says, I know because that happened to me. I was the person that quadrupled my income. This isn't really coming from just, some random claim. This is a very personal testimonial that I'm giving. This is what happened to me. I know this. I resisted buying it because I thought it was too good to be true. Now look at the results that I'm experiencing. Then they're starting to think, okay, what is this? What are they talking about? And so that's whenever you ask, you get inside their mind, what am I talking about? And then, then you just give a link. This one is emaildemon.com. Then, just kind of for fun, kind of be afraid to play off the whole email demon thing. But then you're just going to put regards and then your name. So again, it's a very subconscious techniques that you're using to really, kind of put yourself in the shoes or even in the mindsets of your subscribers. What are they thinking? What would they think? Whenever you write a phrase, are they, what would be an objection they would have, and then answer it right afterwards. It says, I'm going to come out right now and say that this product is unfair. That adds a curiosity, but I resisted buying it at first because I thought it was too good to be true. That is a very strong line that you can use on almost any of your emails, because that's what people think. And then all of a sudden you're going to give a benefit, but it's not just anybody giving a benefit. It's a very strong personal testimonial coming from you, your friend. That's the reason why you want to focus on building relationships, because then it comes, hey, these people are getting a suggestion or a piece of advice from a friend versus just somebody trying to sell something to them. That's the reason why you build relationships. But that's pretty much it for the email demon method. Go ahead and just use these techniques. You practice them, use them, just continue to tweak and test. But if you use these techniques, I guarantee you're going to be seeing a lot of results, and your conversions are going to skyrocket.